Welcome. If you've ever wanted to clean up your Instagram profile or simply tidy your activity without deleting your posts, archiving shared posts is a great option. Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated process for archiving posts from your activity on Instagram, so you can keep your profile looking fresh and organized. First, open Instagram on your phone and head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right. Once you're there, look for the three-line menu in the top right corner. Tap that menu to open up more options. Inside the menu, you'll see an option called Your Activity. Tap it, and you'll be taken to a screen that lets you review all sorts of things you've done on Instagram. On this screen, find the section labeled Content You Shared, and tap Posts underneath it. Now, you'll see a list of all the posts you've shared. If you want to archive one of them, tap on Select at the top of the screen. This lets you pick which posts you want to manage. Scroll through your posts, tap on the ones you want to archive. You can select more than one if you like, and then hit the Archive button at the top. A pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm that you want to archive the selected posts. Tap Archive again to confirm. That's it. Your chosen posts will be moved to your archive, where only you can see them. They won't be visible to others on your profile, but you can always restore them later if you change your mind. Archiving is a handy way to keep your profile looking neat without losing your memories. Plus, it's a lot less permanent than deleting, so you don't have to worry about losing anything for good. Whether you're trying to declutter your feed, prepare for a special event, or just want to keep some posts private, archiving shared posts is a simple and effective solution. Remember, you can always go back to your archive later if you want to restore any of your posts. So go ahead and give it a try. And if you found this guide helpful, let me know in the comments what other Instagram tips you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.